How to use Liberty Mutual Auto Insurance as a properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Liberty Mutual is known for customizable auto insurance, but many drivers make mistakes that reduce coverage or increase costs. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy doesn't always mean you're fully protected. A common mistake is choosing minimum liability coverage. This meets legal requirements, but may not cover all damages or medical expenses in an accident. Adding collision and comprehensive coverage is crucial for newer or valuable vehicles. Another error is mishandling deductibles. Lower deductibles increase premiums, while higher deductibles save money, but increase your out-of-pocket costs after a claim. Pick a deductible that balances cost and risk. Many drivers also fail to update their policy after life changes. Moving, adding a teen driver, or buying a new car can affect coverage needs. Not updating your policy could result in denied claims or gaps in protection. Ignoring discounts is another mistake. Liberty Mutual offers savings for safe driving, bundling policies, and certain vehicle features. Missing these opportunities can lead to higher costs. Finally, not understanding the claims process can create delays or reduce payouts. Always report accidents promptly, document damages, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, Liberty Mutual Auto Insurance can provide comprehensive protection. Choose proper coverage, set the right deductible, update your policy, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process to ensure you're fully protected on the road.